When I wake up in the morning, you know I gotta play. Open up my phone, see what got chased away. I'm spinning the wheel, hoping for something rare. Collecting all the toys, gotta catch 'em all, I swear. Got your fever, it's taking over me. Every spin is like a dream, can't you see? Got your fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. In my little world, I create stories, dressing up my characters, it's pure glory. Miniature adventures in the palm of my hand. Got your fever's got me hooked, I just can't understand. In the afternoon sun, I hit the streets. With my gacha treasures, my excitement beats. Trading with friends, sharing the thrill. In this gacha world our hearts fulfill. Through the bustling city I journey on. Every gacha capsule a treasure spawn. From the arcade halls to the corner stores, gacha fevers grip my spirit soars. Lost in the world of each spinning reel. Every spin is like a dream, can't you see? Gacha fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. Day fades into the night, still consumed by this gacha light. In the glow of my screen I continue to play. In this gacha wonderland where dreams hold sway. From virtual worlds to realities hold sway. From virtual worlds to reality's grasp ray. From virtual worlds to reality's grasp. Gacha fever spell an eternal class. In every capsule a piece of my heart. In this gacha journey I'll never depart. In the quiet hours of the night I ponder on this gacha delight. With every pull a new story unfolds. In this gacha universe where magic beholds. With the dawn's first light, I start anew. In this gacha adventure's always more to pursue. From rare collectibles to common finds, gacha fever's allure forever binds. In the midst of life's hustle and bustle, gacha fever's joy I'll never muscle. Of stress I find my escape in this gacha world where dreams reshape. Lost in the world of the spinning wheel. Every gacha pull a joy I feel. With every click a new prize to chase. This gacha frenzy, my passion will race. Gacha fever is taking over me. Every spin is like a dream, did you see? Gacha fever, it's a capsule toy delight. Unlocking treasures, bringing joy day and night. So let the gacha reels continue to spin in this endless game where I always win. Gacha fever, my eternal friend. In this gacha journey I'll never bend. Spinning in a magical place. With every spin a smile on my face. Oh yeah, cute characters and outfits so sweet. In Gacha Wonderland, it's always a treat. Gacha Wonderland, let's play all day. Unbox your dreams that kawaii way. Magical creatures and sweet treats too. Gacha Wonderland, I'm falling for you. In Akihabara's neon glow, we find Gacha wonders row by row. From anime heroes to fluffy friends, in Gacha Wonderland, the joy never ends. Underneath the cherry blossoms sway, we hunt for Gacha come what may. In Kyoto's temples and Nara's graces, every capsule brings a smile to our face. Gacha Wonderland, let's play all day. Unbox your dreams that kawaii way. Magical creatures and sweet treats too. Gacha Wonderland, I'm falling for. In Hiroshima's peace we find serenity. Yet Gacha Wonderland is our true identity. In every capsule, a piece of our heart. In Gacha Wonderland, a land back to part. In corner of this land so dear. Gacha Wonderland, we hold so near. In Osaka's hustle and bustle of life. Gacha Wonderland, let's play all day. Unbox your dreams that kawaii way. Magical creatures and sweet treats too. Gacha Wonderland, I'm falling for you. From Hokkaido snow to Okinawa shore, Gacha Wonderland will always adore. With each new capsule, a memory made, where dreams cascade. Lost in the thrill of each capsule spin. A world of wonder join us in. With every twist, a new delight. Gacha Wonderland is our true identity. In Gacha Wonderland. Gacha Wonderland is life. Walking down the street with a skip in my beat. Got my Gacha capsule in my hand, feeling super neat. Open it up, what's inside? Can't wait to see. A little toy surprise, it's pure ecstasy. Gacha fever, it's a thrill I can't resist. Gotta catch 'em all, like a treasure hunter in the mist. Spinning that colorful wheel, every little toy I get's a joyful squeal. Making videos of my Gacha loot, sharing with the world, it's a social pursuit. From cute little characters to outfits so divine, Gacha life is a world of endless designs. In the land of rising sun where Gacha dreams unfold, every capsule tells a story, a tale yet untold. From Tokyo's neon lights to Kyoto's ancient grace, Gacha fever spreads its wings in every corner, every place. Seasons changing, a love for Gacha remains. In spring's cherry blossoms and winter's icy domains. With every capsule open, a piece of Japan we find. Gacha fever transcends through digital screens. With friends by your side, with friends by your side, the adventure is grand. Gacha Wonderland, where dreams expand. From trading with buddies to events so grand. Gacha fever unites us across the land. Across the land, lost in the rhythm of each Gacha's cleverness. Gacha fever, spinning that colorful wheel. Every little toy and blanket, it's a joyful squeal. Gacha Wonderland, all to see. Lost in the rhythm of each Gacha's cleverness. Gacha fever, spinning that colorful wheel. Every little toy and blanket, it's a joyful squeal. Gacha Wonderland. In every collector's heart, Gacha finds a home. In Gacha Wonderland, where dreams roam. With each new capsule, a memory made. Gacha fever's embrace will never fade. As the sun sets on another Gacha-filled day, in our hearts, Gacha fever will forever stay. The trials and triumphs, joys and tears, Gacha fever's journey spans the years. Lost in the rhythm of each Gacha's cleverness. Gacha fever, spinning that colorful wheel. Every little toy and blanket, it's a joyful squeal. So let's cherish each moment in Gacha's embrace. In this world of wonder, let's find a place for Gacha fever's fame to forever and bright. In our hearts, Gacha Wonderland's eternal light.